twin of you?
We're pretty close, actually.
Because you're...
Hey, Dad. I'm proud of you. And sad. I got to live. For you, I can't answer. But I'm happy. I'm happy we had the time that we did. And that you were there for me. Until you couldn't be.
If you're happy, I'm happy.